Hi friends, it's Dr. Ladda here, and in the today's lecture we are going to deal with one of the interesting topic from paper first and from the topic and next phase, that is the brainstem. Before proceeding with the brainstem, let's have a small understanding of the things which are present in the cranial cavity. Our cranial cavity consists good many important and valuable things which are governing our life. Those are the big portion of the cranial cavity is cerebrum, the small portion but the important portion for maintaining the equilibrium and posture, that is cerebellum. One more important structure, that is thalamus. One structure which governs all the endocrine glands and which is the master of endocrine gland, that is pituitary gland. And not less important but so valuable, because research conducted since last good many years show that pineal gland is so important. Rather, we know previously there were only few functions of the pineal gland, but now pineal gland is so important in concern with all. And with these all, one more thing which is important and which is part and parcel of cranial nerves origin, that is the brainstem. Brainstem is a portion which is situated below the cerebrum and which is situated in front of the cerebellum. So, this is cerebrum. Now this one is brainstem, and brainstem continues as a spinal cord, and here is cerebellum. Above this brainstem there is thalamus. So, if we are looking randomly, we are not medical students, consider this thing. We are a lay person, and in the mind of lay person or by the thinking of lay person, if we are looking carefully that now this is the brainstem, the road which is coming from the spinal cord, and which is supposed to go to the cerebrum, definitely the road is brainstem. In the same sense, the things which are traveling from the higher center, intracranial organs, and they are supposed to go to periphery. Again, the same route is, and that route is brainstem. So, things which are coming to the higher center from the periphery, rather from the spinal cord, and things which are going down from the higher center to the periphery, or rather you can say to the spinal cord, those things are supposed to pass through brainstem. Means the fibers for the pain, the fibers for the pressure, the fibers for the touch, the fibers for the temperature, all these fibers which are coming and going from spinal cord or from higher centers, they are supposed to pass through brainstems, and so these fibers are known as tracts. These fibers are tracts, a bundle of fibers which are made for certain function. Those are called as tracts. Now, which is coming down, that is descending tract, and which is coming up, but natural, that is ascending tract. So the descending tracts and ascending tracts which are in concert with the spinal cord and the higher center, they are supposed to pass through the brainstem. One thing. Second thing, as just at the beginning of this video, we talked that brainstem is a center for cranial nerves. Means brainstem, if we are thinking and if we are studying about the brainstem, we are supposed to make relation between brainstem and cranial nerve. Cranial nerve, which cranial nerves? Just leave first and second, and now start with third cranial nerve, end up to 12th cranial nerve. All these cranial nerves are having relation with one of the three parts of the brainstem. So this is what the basic funda to remember about the brainstem. If we are knowing the tracts, they are passing through brainstem. If we are knowing certain nerves are concerned with certain divisions of the brainstem, this is completion of half study of the brainstem. And now about the external features and all these, it's also so simple. just to find the external features and to find the internal feature. But while drawing the transection of the brainstem, because this is the question in the examination about the transection of brainstem, where we are feeling difficult. But don't worry friends, in the next subsequent 1 or 2 videos, we will deal with how to draw, so simple how to draw the transections of all the 3 parts of the brainstem, including the study of external features of the brainstem. Transections, while drawing the transections, if we are using our logic and our traits and funny traits, if we are using that traits, it will make a fun in study and also it will help to understand this topic. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in the next 1 or 2 subsequent videos we will finish this brainstem topic. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for recent interesting easy anatomy videos for all my first year students.